Who knew a simple hat like this could be bringing in some Etsy sellers over 5 figures per month? In this video, I'm going to show you the proof, and I'm going to show you how you can easily sell these in your print-on-demand shops. We're going to talk about ways to stand out in the market. Quick example, embroidery plus a hat that's not oversaturated on the platform. This is a denim hat. I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's get into it. First, here's the proof. I'm using EVERBEE to see the monthly revenue on some of these listings. We have this top one bringing in 5 figures monthly revenue, and a lot of them bringing in 4 figures monthly revenue. I do have the sellers blurred out due to respect, but if you want to try out EVERBEE for free, you can do so with the link in my description below. So I just typed hats into the search on Etsy, and I'm just going to briefly show you on the first couple pages some styles that are doing really well. So right now, super popular bachelorette hats, matching hats. These are huge because when you get one new order, typically it could be for 8 hats or 20 hats, depending on how many people are going to the bachelorette party. So this is always a winning niche for me, and there are a bunch of different products that I sell in the bachelorette niche. By the way, comment bachelorette in the comment section below if you would like me to do a whole deep dive on the bachelorette niche. Another one that's always going to do well is these custom texts here. However, I don't really recommend doing them because they are pretty oversaturated at the moment. You're going to be competing with these bestsellers already. But if Printify or a printing company does come out with a new style hat that we don't see on the platform, and you are one of the first to jump on that with a nice mock-up and the custom text here, you could, steal that bestseller badge, but you have to be on it immediately to get that. So coming through a little bit more, I want to point out that it's important to niche down with hats. So for example, garden hair, don't care. This is super niche. It's within the garden niche. And then it also is embroidered. So those two things alone are going to help a seller stand out among all of the generic, basic, custom logo hats. Along with the bachelorette niche is also obviously the bachelor niche, which hats are super huge for. And as you can see, as I'm scrolling along, I don't really see too many denim hats like I just had on. Personally, when I saw that Printify had a denim hat, I wanted it for myself, which is why I made it, and which is now why I am sharing this video with you. I'm going to show you in Printify where you can find this denim hat. So I came to catalog, then accessories, and then down here to hats. They actually have a lot of great selections here. This mid-profile baseball hat I actually saw selling really well on Etsy just now when we were doing our product research. You probably saw some as well. Like the bachelor hat, this is pretty similar to this mid-profile baseball cap. This one here is pretty similar too, and I wanted to click on this one specifically because this is another trend that's happening, the upside down text. Another big seller of mine are these vintage caps right here. These are specifically for embroidery. I actually have one. I don't have it with me right now, but it's really great quality. It's the same brand as the denim hat that you just saw me have. Snapback trucker caps are always going to do really well, especially these pink ones for bachelorette parties. I really like this one too, the mesh back cap. It's definitely different than anything that I've seen on Etsy, so this is another way to stand out in the market. I'm always looking for new hats on Printify because like I said, if you have a new hat on Etsy and you're one of the first ones to tap into that new product line, you can do really, really well. For example, here, this is new and already trending, sun-washed rope cap. I have not seen anything like this on Etsy, but here we are with my denim hat. It's also for embroidery, and it's really great quality, guys. Like, this is going to be my hat for the summer. So let me show you simply how I added my design. Just go to start designing. You can select the colors black, light blue, or just like this regular blue. I did the light blue. And then you're going to come over to upload my device and bring in your design. Then you're going to center it. You can make it smaller if you want or bigger, but just make sure that, nothing's getting cut off. Also to note, the colors are going to be a little bit different when it is embroidered. As you can see, mine came out, a little bit different. Printify let me know this before printing. Some people would be like, oh, you have to get the right color codes before you design. I don't really care. I don't really have the time. I make my design and I know that it's gonna come out fairly similar similar to this, you know, not exact, I'm never matching the hex codes perfectly. Some people might say that's bad advice, but that's just how I do things, guys. Laid back business style over here. So here's an example of what it looks like, and this is accurate to my hat. So before you click save product, always preview it. One, to make sure that your design looks centered and nice, but also so that you can see what it looks like. And if it looks really bad, then you just go back and you fix your design until you get it to how you like it. See here, it says the design colors are automatically reduced, and you can learn more here. And this goes for any products that are embroidered. Also blankets, I get a lot of questions with that. And I do it the same way. I make my design and I just come here, preview it, and make sure it looks good. Colors are always a little bit off, but that's okay. So yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. I love selling hats in general, but my biggest sellers are the embroidered hats. And another reason why I love selling hats is look how simple the design is. It really doesn't take that much time to make a design for a hat. Keep your designs simple. Now, is this going to fly off the shelves? Is this in demand? Not on Etsy. The reason why I made this hat is because of my other brand, Up and Abroad, on TikTok. You can go give me a follow there if you want to see the ins and outs of my life in Greece with my family. But I'm starting to make products to sell to my audience over there. So it's really niche specific. I'm selling Greece lifestyle type of products and designs, which is why I chose this simple Greek design. But if you're on Etsy, always make sure that you're doing your product research to see what types of designs are selling in what types of niches. That way you can stand out. You know, you never want to just put up a random product and cross your fingers and hope that it's going to sell. You always want to make sure and be confident from your product research that your design and your product are actually in demand. My final tip is to always remember that business is about serving others, not so much about what we like. That was hard for me to get over in the beginning. I just wanted to, make things that I liked and put it up because if I like it, everybody must like it, right? That's not the case, guys. You want to be searching for what's actually selling. What are people actually searching for? And how can you bring your creativity to that product type in the market so that you can stand out among the other Etsy sellers? And if you want to take things a step further, maybe you're struggling to make sales on Etsy, it might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop, which is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. I do a video recording of the things that I see that you are doing right, the things that I see that are hurting your sales, and how you can improve those things, along with a bunch of hidden gems. You can learn more about my Etsy shop reviews with the link in my description below. I hope that this video helped you. I hope that you got a sense of how simple it is to sell embroidered hats on Etsy. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe for more print-on-demand content, and I'll see you in the next video.